I don't think we produced an awful lot of quality today, but yeah, we didn't half show some endeavour and some energy and fight and just a will to keep going, and I think the players deserve a lot of credit for that.
Billy, not the result you were looking for, but that game could have gone either way.
Yeah, it's a disappointing result for us. I felt we started the game really brightly, had majority possession, but we didn't really capitalise. We had a few half chances, and then it took, well, a bit of lapse of concentration from ourselves from a set place to get their first clear chance. But we gone at half-time 0-0. We said to them at half-time, expect a fast start, a response from Pen-y-bont. And I think the goal that we conceded was poor by us.
It was a nice time to score. Glad to see Keon get a goal as well. He worked so hard for the team. And we were obviously relieved to go 1-0 up.
From a dressing room perspective, you've lost so many players. They showed, the whole squad have shown such character in the last 5 days.
Yeah, we've had to dig deep. To be fair, we've got a strong squad, and the lads who've stepped in have done a fantastic job. But you know, if you're going to compete at the top end of the league, you need a strong squad, and that's exactly what we've got. So yeah, the lads have done superb.
We've been involved in a lot of close games this season, including Connah's key away, and somehow we keep falling on the right side of the result. There must be a reason for that.
And in terms of the top 6, it might well be out of your hands at the moment. It's so close in there, and next week's game against Bala, absolutely crucial.
Yeah, it's tight, but it is out of our hands. We have to see what the results happen. But yeah, it's a disappointing afternoon for us.
And the belief is there to push TNS all the way?
Yeah, I mean, it's one game at a time, as you'll have heard from us, you know, all season really. But you know, we just want to keep picking up points and hopefully see where it takes us. Hopefully we'll push them. And
11 cup finals to go. It's going to be a long slog towards the end.
Yeah, it's a slog already, and it always is. The Welsh Prem, when I first got promoted to the Welsh Prem, one of the managers told me the Welsh Prem season for a manager is a slog, and it is. It's relentless. It takes a lot of character and resilience, but you've just got to keep going, and we've got those 11 games. If we can hang on to TNS's coattails for a little bit longer, maybe we'll end up with achieving one of our goals.